Hello and welcome back, and in this video we are going to be looking at the cases for your text. Okay, so if let's say you want to basically keep your text to a certain case like uppercase, lowercase, then you can use a modifier called TextCase. Okay, TextCase has two values, default is none, but you have uppercase and lowercase. So none case is basically absence of value. So essentially what it means is the text is going to be displayed as you type. Okay, but you can change that to override, to make it all uppercase, for example, by using just the uppercase. Okay, and you can similarly set it to lowercase if you just define TextCase as lowercase. Okay, so these are ways to basically define your uppercase and lowercase, but your capital letters also come with other options. So for example, if I'm gonna take this out and I say lowercase small caps. Okay, so notice the difference. Let me show you how the difference is gonna be when I have this. Okay, so notice how these two are slightly different in the case where small caps are applied. So E is E is capital E, right? But it's actually to the same level as small e, like size is same as small e, but it's a capital letter, right? So that's one of the effects that you can use. Similarly, you can have upper small case. So upper small case is basically all of them are in a small case size, right? The upper letters are also small case size. Like D here is same size as E, but it's still the uppercase D. Okay, same goes for T. All right, so that's that. And then you have something called small caps. Okay, so basically small caps is it's the small letter sizing. So small letter sizing, but all the letters are capital. All right, so these are three options that you have to control the case size, case style for uppercase characters within the font system, or text case for lowercase and uppercase. All right, so that was it for this video. Thanks again for watching. I will see you guys in next video. Thank you.